So another car and another problem. So what is happening right now in my Audi A7 Quattro 3 liters 2010, after I've changed the disc pads, brake pads at Audi Service, I'm getting 3 types of error at the same time. So the first one is tire pressure fault. As you can see, the light is flashing there. Straight after I should get a suspension fault. Nice. And obviously brake pads, brand new pads replaced. So this week, in 2 days time, I'm going to back to the service to have this fault removed. Not sure if it's just a system fault or anything is damaged, maybe some cables are loose or anything. So after I will come back, obviously I will upload the video. With the tire pressure error, it's actually pretty easy to fix. I've done this before in the other cars. You can just confirm the tire pressure once again and it should go away. But to be like 100% sure if I'm alright with the tires, if there's no puncture or actually the pressure is equal everywhere, I have a nice little fella with me, a little pump, very useful for such occasions as this one. So I'm gonna just pump it up, double check if the pressure is the same in each car, and then I can confirm. So this is what I'm gonna do now. And with the brake pads, lights and suspension fault, obviously they will have to do it. I don't want to play around with my little devices. The car is still it's under guarantee, so I'm not touching it, I'm not playing. Cool. And that will be it. And for the music fans, that's my latest playlist. Some stuff download from Russian site Trilistka. Very good remixes if someone is interested. Yeah, highly recommended. Cool, that will be it.